Hi friends, welcome to Student Impulse. I am Srija. Thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. I am going to share some job openings in Mysore for various positions. Mahajana Education Society is hiring for two positions, accounts manager and biology teacher. Eligibility for the accounts manager is become BBM graduate, knowledge of tally with ERP is must. Experience will be added. Retired person from educational institution or university with accounts knowledge is preferred. The eligibility for the biology teacher is BSc or BEd. Experience will be added. Retired person can also apply. Application along with supporting documents, resumes should send to the Honorable Secretary, Mahajana Education Society, Jayalakshmipuram, Mysuru, 570012 or send via email to mes@mahajana.edu.in on or before 10/10/2020. If you have any queries, please contact this phone number.
Next, the Indus Entrepreneurs is looking for a job position, executive director. They are asking for a part-time position, but it will be a great responsibilities and work experience and qualifications are all given here. You can check once if you are interested, and if you have the eligibility, you can apply. See, if you check with work experience and qualifications, past entrepreneurial experience is a big plus. They want the past entrepreneurial experience, and that should be a 6 to 8 years of management experience and go getter attitude. Bachelor's degree in commerce, public relations, or mass communication or business school degree is required. Good industry connects and network. Strong written and verbal communication skills are needed. Okay, they provided the email ID. You can send share your resume. If you meet the qualifications, definitely they will contact you back. That email ID given here, tie.mysuru@gmail.com. Next we will go for the another job. There is a vacancy at AT&S India Private Limited. This is a subsidiary of AT&S Austria Technologies System Technik AG. This is German based company, and based the subsidiary company is located at Nanjangudu, Mysuru district. It is actually manufactured the printed circuit boards which will be used in automotive, industrial and medical segments. They are looking for the German translator. Actually, we will be having a lot of scope for German translation, and if you have a command in any one foreign language, there will be opportunities for a translation jobs. Like this is one type of opportunity. Candidates must be able to translate technical words from German to English. The candidate should have a any technical diploma or degree, and they are asking a experience of 2 to 4 years, and knowledge of computer operations like MS Office, etc. is must. You can share your resume at rusumes resumes at in.ats.net. Next, the job opening is in a leading medical company. They have not provided the company name exactly, but they have provided the HR email ID. HR at s3vvascular.com. Okay, you can apply for the production head, production supervisors, store in charge, and assistant manager finance. All are they require the experience, and the minimum experience is 2 to 3 years and max experience is 15 to 25 years as per the positions. You can check if you are suitable for this, you can apply. Next, there is a job opening in AEPL, Janata Nagar, Mysuru. They are looking for female telecallers. There is only two openings. Be hurry to apply for this job if you are required. And education qualification is PUC and above. Age limit should be less than 30 years. And job timings will be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. No night shift will be there. Saturday is half working day and Sunday is holiday. The CTC will be 15,200 per month. You can contact on the numbers given if you have any questions. Next job. Next, the job opening is there in Global Education Trust, Daksha PU College. They require two positions: lady admin, accounts assistant, and a health and hygiene caretaker. For lady admin account assistant, the qualification is BCom, BBM with computer skills, and MS Office and Tally skills also they are asking. For a health and hygiene caretaker, they are asking experience in nursing and first aid, health counseling for a residential college. Accommodation will be provided. Good fluency in English communication skills is must. Actually, nowadays for any professional job, English communication skills must. To learn any language, to get a command in any language, we must follow one basic rule: LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, writing. Okay, I am diverting, but I am about to tell because here they are asking good fluency in English communication is must. Okay, you can share your resume at chairman@gedutrust.com or chairman@dakshapucollege.com. There is a if you have to check the spell mistakes, or else it will be considered as spam. We must give the to send for any to we have if we want to send a email, we must give a correct email ID. Otherwise it will be you will it will trigger back the error. So check with the spells. Okay. Next, the Lalita High School is looking for two positions: headmaster, mistress, and physical trainer. For headmaster, the qualification is BSc post graduation, BEd with experience. Okay, and physical trainer position PT, BPED. There is one post. You can contact on the given phone numbers. Okay. Next job position is at Srivardhini Ventures. This is located at Kuvempu Nagara, Mysore. Actually, this is uh, Hero Electric showroom. They are they he's the company is a dealer of Hero Electric vehicles. Actually, I visited. You can also have a visit once. And they have a vacancy for lady front office assistant. The leading electric scooter dealer of Mysore needs a lady office assistant below 35 years of age who can work independently. What they need: a graduate, good looking, pleasant personality, good communication skills. What do you need to do? Overall coordination of the sales, service, office, accounts functions. What we offer: a bright working atmosphere, earning and growing opportunities, good compensation. And also they mention like trainee post are available. You can contact on the given number, and if you wish you can visit also, and you can get clarity on the positions. Okay, we will go for next one. LS Farm Tech Data Entry Services. They have a opening for data entry operator. Qualification is the second PUC. Basic computer knowledge is required. Typing skills is compulsory. And they given the address details, and phone numbers also they provided. You can contact. Next, there is a job opening in PU Educational Institution in Mysuru. Qualified and experienced lecturer, business studies, commerce, with good fluency in English. Okay, and you can share resume at chairman@gedutrust.com. Next, the job opening is there at foundations, developers, and promoters. They are looking for the marketing executive. Should be a graduate with computer knowledge. 1 to 2 years of experience is required. Good in communication and convincing skills, and you should be passionate for marketing. You can apply through directly you can visit their office, or else you can send a email. You can send your resume to the provided email ID admin@foundationsmysore.com, and they are provided the contact number also. You can call if you have any questions. Next, there is a job opening at St. Joseph's Nursing Institutions. It is located at Mandimatta, Mysuru, and they are looking for MSc and BSc nursing faculty. Eligible candidates can apply for the post. Okay, MSc in mental health nursing, one vacant position is there, and BSc nursing there is a four vacant positions. You have to apply before October 10, 2020. You can contact the you can contact a person BROS administrator. They provided the number, phone number, and principal number also they provided. You can also share your resume at sjcollegeofnursing@gmail.com. Next, there is a job position at Kala Bharati Vidya Samsthe Yalwala, Mysuru. MSc BEd Chemistry, Biology, Physics, Mathematics, Geography. MA BEd Kannada History, Economics Hindi English, MPED or BPED and MCom, BSc BEd or BSc PCM CBZ and Computer Science. For all these things and also Montessori trainer, there is a job openings at Kala Bharati Vidya Samsthe. You can apply using this email ID, or you can contact on the provided numbers. Next, there is a job opening at Shah Mobiles Private Limited. This is a Hero showroom actually. Shah Mysore Hero is looking forward to fill the following post with suitable candidates for Hero two-wheeler dealership at Mysore: sales and marketing executive, office assistants, and office assistants. One is for female and another is for male. Data analyst. For sales and marketing executive, graduate with fluency in Kannada and English language, two-wheeler driving license is must. Office assistants male, to assist in sales and service and spares, diploma or ITA or undergraduate with driving license is must. Office assistants female, graduate to assist in office work, computer data entry, telecalling and accounts. Effective communication skills in Kannada and English is must. Data analyst, graduate computer data processor with advanced knowledge in MS Word and MS Excel. Digital marketing knowledge will be added advantage. Please forward your resume by mail on harshamysore@gmail.com or WhatsApp on 97422974448. You can share your resume at harshmysore@gmail.com, or you can share your resume at the provided mobile number through WhatsApp. They provide the address details also. Contact numbers also available, and you can watch whatever your convenience you can follow. And this is there since 1985. Very old organization. Next, there is a job opening at RCM Health Sector. The company name is Axesina Health Tech. They are looking for like billing or Daniel credentials. There are 10 posts. Freshers also with good communication skills are eligible. And voice process there is 5 openings. Non-voice process there is 7 openings. For RCM health sector, they require 1 to 3 years of experience, but the freshers also can apply, but they require the good communication skills. You can share your resume hr@axisonhealthtech.com, or you can directly, I think you can visit the company. And they also told that it is a direct company recruit and no agency involved. Next job. There is a SR Products Private Limited, a newly starting semi-scale industry company. They require sales executive, marketing managers, marketing promoters. Attractive salary and incentives will be there. They provide the contact numbers and they provide the address also. SR Products Private Limited, Yas 191A, Kadakola Industrial Area, Mysuru. Next, there is a job opening at Baden Powell Public School, affiliated to CBSE New Delhi, behind Old DC office, Mysuru. And they want TGTs in social science, 3 vacancies, English 1 vacancy, Kannada 1 vacancy, male attendant 1 vacancy. And they provided the email ID and contact numbers also. Fluency in English and minimum 2 to 3 years of experience is must for TGTs. For others, they have not mentioned any experience, but for TGTs, they require 2 to 3 years of experience. You can share your resume principal at bppschool.ac.in, or you can contact the given numbers. Next, there is a job opening for process executives for e-publishing company. Proficiency in Word. After training, work from home option is there. You can apply with provided email ID info@shivetech.com. You can also visit the website www.shivetech.com. They provide the mobile number also. So that's all today's video, guys. I believe the video is helpful to you. Please share and subscribe to our channel, and also share this information anyone who is looking for jobs. Comment below if you have any questions, if you need any information. Thank you.